Hi, my name is Kristian, and I made this um automatic watering garden machine. Um, so it pumps water by itself automatically, and I'll show you the component. So it's an automated plant watering machine, and if you change the temperature to the negative section, then it will turn off and the green LED will turn on and the motor will stop. But if you change it back, then it will be on, the motor will be running, the green LED turned off, and the red LED turned on. I'll show you the components. This is the Arduino, this is the LCD, this is the motor, this is a temperature sensor, this is a transistor, there's 4 resistors to connect everything. These are the LCDs that turn on when it's on and off. This is the potentiometer where you can hide the screen by doing it like this, and then turn it back on by going back. And this is code. And this is the code. This is the library that it uses. Is the temperature sensor is connected to A0. That's why it's there. The motor is connected to 13 on the Arduino. The red LED is connected to 12 on the Arduino. The green LED is connected to 11 on the Arduino, and and the LCD is connected to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on the Arduino, and this is void setup. Okay. Yeah. Alright, LCD.print is where it says what it says here on the LCD. So if I do this, it will say automated plant at the top. And so if I start simulation, it'll say automated plant watering system. It said watering system because it says it here and it's LCD print. And yeah, so the motor, the red LED and the green LED is output, and they're connected to the Arduino. And the delay is 2 seconds. There's also another LCD.print, and it's temp. And that is when you see it. So it says here, temp is just a short version for temperature, and the temperature right now is 74.78. But if I change that to the minus, then it will go down and it will turn off. But if I bring it back up, it'll turn on and it will go higher. And also it says LCD.print water pump, And it also says water pump there, which is also on when you change the temperature sensor. And that's for loop. So there's also another LCD dot print, which is temp. And I think it goes towards this temp. And this right here just means the temperature is greater than 50. So if it's not greater than 50, then the green LED will turn on and the red LED and the motor will turn off. But if it's over 50, the motor will turn on and the red LED will turn on and the green LED will turn off. Digital right motor. So when it's on, which it says here, LCD.print on, when it says on, it means the motor will be on, the red LED will be on, and the green LED will be off. That's why it says high, high, low. High just means on, and low just means off. And then the other way around. So off. If it's under 50, then it will turn off. Right now it's 40.082, so it's off. The red LED is off and the green LED is on. That's why it says it here. Green LED, high, red LED, low, motor, and low. And it will also say off because LCD.print is off. And the delay is 1 second. And there's also a breadboard. And everything. I also forgot to share the pins of the LED. So this is ground. So a black wire will connect to ground. And then this is power. A red LED, I think, will connect to that. Yes. And then this is contrast, where a red LED has connected to that too. This is a register select. And the register select is going towards the Arduino on 2. Then this is read and write. That is connected to a black wire. And the enable pin is connected to 3. But also the black wires are connected to what is negative. So the ground pin is negative. And also these two are both positive because red wires connect to the positive pins on the LCD. And then I don't think these have a wire. Yeah. So then we go to these ones. This is DB4 and it connects to the Arduino on the number 4 pin on the Arduino. This is DB5 that connects to 5 on the Arduino. DB6 that connects to the Arduino on number 6. And then DB7 connects to the Arduino on number 7. And then I think these are the two LEDs. This is the cathode and this is the anode. The anode is positive and the the cathode is negative. I hope you like looking at my project, and I think I covered everything. So yeah, that was my project, and yeah.